So here we've got a hex arbor, drift key, the typical guide pins sat in, and as you know, you have to hammer the drift key to get the guide pin out. The problem is with any A-taper guide pin or drill bit, they wear, so they wobble, and in use, many of you may have experienced them coming out during drilling. So here we have the duo cut adapter with the spring, 1/2-inch socket with a 12mm pin, that screws down, cushions against the spring, guaranteed no wobble, and you also get a much more substantial protrusion, so it's a lot better. And then when you're finished, you just undo it by hand, job done, and then the beauty is never have to worry about losing a drift key or use a hammer again.